wear fancy sarees or daily wear sarees, cotton sarees, everyone demands, and exclusively we need a matching collections of blouse, petticoat, falls, right? So friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive demanded collections from the matching segment for the sarees. As I said, any saree we buy, we look for the exactly falls, either petticoat or the ready-made blouse, we see the matching. So in this video, I'm going to show you about the Kesaria manufactures the fancy matching collections of the inskirts, like regular varieties with the fabrics, even about the falls, the petticoat collections with the exclusive, and even for the all the falls varieties of the collections. All these collections you can buy, which I talk about, starts from only 9 rupees from Kesaria manufactures the matching collections. So please watch this video. I'm going to show you some samples. If you're into a saree business or looking for the matching collections, you can add into your collection business with a wholesale price with color charts set to set. So let's see some samples. So friends, as I told you, the samples of the matching varieties, here are the samples. So I'm going to show you the blouse bits, petticoats and the falls. First I start with the falls. This is a bunch. All the color charts where you can see over here, and in this you have a varieties, even the falls where you can see here. So it starts from only 9 rupees. This all varieties with set to set you can purchase. In this there is a length of mini size, width also broad one if you want, you can, and this is a pure cotton. Pure cotton. This is a falls I'm showing you. So in this you have all the varieties of the color charts. Okay. So this is a falls I've showed you. And this, if you take all the colors, you can see all the maroon, bottle green, grey, purple, no. This totally the bunch with the 350 pieces, 300, there is set to set. And coming to the blouses, we have a brocade, plain, printed, designer, fancy. So I'm going to show you all the mix up, which is in south. If I talk about these collections are very familiar with the south demanded pattern of the fabrics. First I'll show you the pattu border, very pretty with the dark red color, the traditional color. See, beautiful pattern. This is a blouse, Guinea gold, the code called Guinea gold. This is both the borders you can see here with the plain. For the plain, if you want a silk saree base with the pattu border sarees, you can purchase. So in this you have this bottle green, cream, maroon, orange, all these colors. This is a bunch which is Guinea gold. This is a cut pieces of this variety. If I talk about the next pattern, Rama green color, which is a small golden butta print, very pretty brocade pattern, cotton fancy sarees, rapier cotton. This is a brocade. See, these all varieties. So in this also you have a color charts. These all color charts you can purchase. This is Mango Dolly. Mango Dolly is the code. If I talk about mini butta, for the pure silk sarees, you can buy this running material of the blouse. Mini butta with the border, mountain cut border. Mountain cut matte look border is given. So comfortably you can stitch according to your design pattern. So in this also you have a color charts, which is booty border, is a code called booty border. 10 pieces you can purchase. Next pattern, which is a fancy for the cotton sarees. If you are wearing plain sarees of cotton, we have cotton sarees with a multicolor running material. In this you have a zigzag pattern of mountain printed pattern of the coffee color with the blackish with the grey color combination. See, such a very pretty printed. In this also you have a color combinations of different designs you can purchase. This is pure cotton print cut. All the colors, designs, cotton sarees for the rapier cotton, linen cotton you can purchase. Next pattern, if you need only jacquard pattern sarees on those waist, coffee brownish color, fabric design. On the fabric itself, it's a design. This is also very pretty. In this also you can purchase different colors. We have all the mixture of colors you can purchase. The designer, the materials which I am showing you is Bombay cotton. It's called as Bombay cotton is a code. If I talk about the next pattern, matte butta, silver butta with the navy blue color, with the navy blue pattern, silver butta dotted with stripes pattern. This is the pattern of this one. So in this you have a very pretty design with the unique designs. All the running matching blouses also you can purchase. In this you have a Gulmohar cuts. Gulmohar cuts, red, cream, bottle green, magenta, blue, maroon, black, green and the Rani color. All these varieties. And the packing is also very good quality. The zipper package where you can see like hold it with a like a notepad. So these all collections are very printed and exclusive, the matching collections. Coming to the petticoats. Petticoats, I have many varieties. First pattern, which is a pure cotton. See, pure cotton, only semi-stitched plain one. In this you have a very plain at the bottom. You can see. In this you have a, this is Kontki petticoats. In this you have a color charts. See all the color charts. This is a for 25 colors. You can see 25 colors. All the colors 100% cotton. 100% cotton. Satin based. In this very silky glossy type. In this you have all the for the silk sarees. For the silk sarees very glossy and very shiny. If you need only for the silk sarees varieties, you can purchase. This is code called petticoat, satin petticoat. The code itself satin petticoat. You have all 25 colors over here. And this also you can purchase with the Kesaria manufacturers. If I talk about petticoats, which starts from only 55. If you need a cotton designer cut, at the bottom you have a designer petticoat, which is designer petticoat we call it as. The dark maroon color, this is a designer. Very pretty. And for the designer fancy collections, this is the code called Goodwill petticoat. Goodwill petticoat. In this also you have a 25 color charts. 25 color charts. I have showed you the cotton and now I am going to show you border with the designer petticoats. Highlighted with the thread work. The cream color, this is a designer. This is a border like designer, thread work. The cream color, all sizes are very free. See, free sizes. You can see over here. You can purchase according to your sizes. In this also we have a designer which is Swiss cotton. Swiss cotton, 25 bunches. All these collections. And if I talk about very plain, which is Malmal cotton, this is a very Malmal cotton. So this is also you have a triple threading stitch where you can see the Rani color, which is a bigger size, which is a bigger hip size. In this you can see, and this is also 100% Malmal cotton. In this you have a dark colors, all the dark colors of 25, and the bunches also very 100% good quality packing with no damages, quality, no issues with the manufacturer. Next, coming to body fitting petticoats. So shape vest, you can see the shape vest. In this shape vest we have all colors. See, shape vest, you can see the fish cut at the bottom. So this varieties also you can see over here. So in this pattern also we have a color charts. In this you have a 15 color charts, 15. Individual you can see a good packing over here, like this packing you can see. So all the color charts you can see, all these varieties, and we have like this all collections of the petticoats which only about the highest prices 175 to 200. So friends, today I've showed you falls, cotton blouses, plain come border, butta printed, butta work, designer, silk saree varieties, blouses, running material of this satin, of the petticoats of satin base, cotton, the designer one, thread one, shapewear, and the designer cut, thread work pattern, all those varieties. If I talk about the highest price of the matching collections, 300 rupees. And if I talk about the ready-made blouses, 55 to 250 to 300. So you can add into your business, you can tie up for the deal to become a dealer or distributor or wholesaler. You can contact Kesaria Manufacturers. You can give a bulk order also 20 days before, minimum 300 quantity pieces. So hope this video will be helpful to you. So retailers, dealers, wholesalers, soon you can contact with these collections and place an order pan India. COD options are available. Whatever you are placing an order, the same collections you will receive. No damages or no quality issues. Contact Kesaria Manufacturers for all more variety segments under one roof. You can buy at factory price. So no quantity issue, no quality issue. So transport, shipping, safe and securely you can receive it, and within 7 to 10 days of time period you will receive. Online shopping you can do from international as well as India. Online shopping, video calling, live purchase also you can do on the below numbers where you can contact for further information. You can do visit purchase also, pickup door facilities also there. No language barrier. They will guide you, support you, what kind of collections you want. You can just contact through video calling purchase also. Next video will come up with new more collections and business informations video. Keep supporting. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it. Please share with your friends, relatives, everyone. Next video will meet. Until then, take care. Bye bye.